For today's recipe, you will need 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 eggs room temperature, 1 tablespoon baking powder, a half teaspoon baking soda, 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup butter softened, 1 cup pumpkin puree, 1/3 cup brown sugar, a half teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a half teaspoon of ground cloves, a half teaspoon of ground ginger, a half teaspoon ground allspice, 3/4 cup milk, 1 cup white sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt. To get started on the cupcake batter, you first need to, in a large bowl, sift the flour, baking powder and soda, salt, and spices together. Then, in an electric mixer, cream the butter and sugars and add in the eggs one at a time. After you add in the eggs, mix in the milk and pumpkin puree. Then, stir in the flour mixture and pour in the muffin tin. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for about 25 minutes. For the frosting, you'll need 8 ounces cream cheese, 3 cups confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup butter softened. To get started on the frosting, you will need to beat the cream cheese and butter with an electric beater, then beat in the confectioner's sugar a little at a time, adding the vanilla extract and ground cinnamon when done. Beat until fluffy. When the cupcakes are cooled, go ahead and frost the cupcakes and you're good to go.